Hi. I'm Song from Sheep. It's an honor for me to be here, and thanks to Emily and all amazing coach and my graduate Sheep. And I'm missing Tom graduate and all you guys. Today I wanted to talk about 3 things expressing myself. Sorry, I'm not good at technology. So one thing is my childhood, and the next thing is my turning point, and the last thing is about me. And here is my first thing, it's a book. Here is my first thing, it's a book. When I was young, I loved playing outside. But usually when I come back home, I will read books. I had a sticker book. Thank you. I had a sticker book. Whenever I was well behaved, my mother put a sticker on my sticker book. So put a sticker book. So I could get whatever book I wanted. Look okay. Look at this corridor. Actually, I was so busy playing outside during daytime. I usually read the book at night, and I really enjoyed that time. After finishing reading a book, I tried my idea with my mom. It helped me think in various ways. It was time we could understand each other. Since then, my memories always connected with my mom. A book helped me recall my happy childhood. And the second thing is this. It's a mic. It's about my turning point in life and university. I met really good friends in university. My major in broadcasting. I'm sure the people who major in broadcasting are all crazy. They are really good at having fun. Until I was a high school student, I cared other people's thinking more than mine. But in university, I met the friends who expressed their opinion more freely. So I chose this mic. I learned the way to express myself and love myself from my friends. After university, other people have been able to listen to my voice more clearly. It was time to learn how to focus on myself. And the last thing is sneakers. I'm a girl. Actually, I'm a pretty girl. Pretty girl is true. But I love sneakers more than high heels. It makes me more free. I enjoy spontaneous trip in sneakers. A few years ago, I traveled to Europe by myself for 2 months. I didn't have exact plan, just I had plane tickets. I traveled around 10 countries. I didn't have any destination. Just every morning, open the map and choose somewhere and went there. When I felt I wanted to see the end of the land, I went to Portugal. And I missed a calm atmosphere. I went to Germany. When I went to Austria, I stayed at Austrian friends' home who I met in France. I still dream some places I will go in sneakers. My three things are a book, a bike, and sneakers. Today's my story finishes here, but I'm sure I'll have more things from happy memories. And I wanted to share those stories with you guys. Thank you. Sorry, but I'm not good at technology, so my speech is not matching the PPT, so I want to say sorry to you guys.
That's okay.
Is there any people have a question?
If you go back to 700 class, if you go back to 700 class, what do you think is the most important thing?
I think make an exact plan is the most important thing. When I was 350 class, I felt I was in slump, so I had a counsel with Coach Gon, and Coach Gon gave me this advice to me. If we make the exact plan, if we feel we are in slump, and just we follow this plan, and sometimes we just feel the slump is disappear. And I want to say about this. Yeah, one more question.
Your speech very impressive. What did you learn from this academy?
Actually, when I came here, I really hate English. I'm really sick of the English. But I don't like American culture, and I don't like pop song at all. And it is like English, but the most impressive thing in here, I learned the way to learn English. I think it's the most important to me.